Let's get straight to the point. You can exercise at home and get a good workout in using your body weight, or simple pieces of kit such as dumbbells, kettlebells, or a suspension trainer. Even as you grow stronger and fitter, by increasing your reps, or simply slowing down, or speeding up, the tempo of your exercises. Number 1. Press up. This move uses multiple muscle groups for maximum growth, and strengthens your shoulder joints. Easily done as an exercise at home, this prepares you for progression to the more demanding shoulder exercises you'll face in a gym, like the incline bench press. How to do press up. Get down into a press up position with your hands placed shoulder width apart and back flat, so a straight line forms from your head to heels, via your glutes. Lower your body until your chest is an inch from the ground, then explosively drive up by fully extending your arms. Number 2. Dumbbell standing shoulder press. This is a safer shoulder sculptor than lifting from behind your neck. As a beginner, the aim should be to keep strain off your joints, and protect against an injury called shoulder impingement syndrome. Missed sessions this early in your lifting career are especially costly. How to do dumbbell standing shoulder press. Stand holding 2 dumbbells at shoulder height with an overhand grip, palms facing forwards. Ensure your elbows are in front of the bar, and don't flare out to the sides. Press the weights up above your head, until your arms are fully extended. Return slowly to the start position. Number 3. Burpees. When it comes to burning fat at home, few moves can do better than the burpees. Perfect for frying fat with zero equipment. Work these into your home workout routine to ramp up your heart rate or set yourself daily challenges. How to do burpees. From a standing position, squat down until your thighs are parallel to the floor and place your palms on the floor. From there, kick your feet back as far as you can while keeping your arms extended. As soon as your feet land, jump them back in towards your hands, then jump up into the air. Land and immediately squat down to go into the next representative. Number 4. Dumbbell squat. Squats are an excellent all-round exercise, and one of the best moves for building overall strength. Dumbbells let you concentrate on technique, and work on your range of movement at low weight. Only advance to barbell squats in the gym once you've got this nailed. How to do dumbbell squat. Holding a dumbbell in each hand, position your legs shoulder width apart, keeping your head up and back straight. Sit back into the squat until the dumbbells are an inch from the floor. Focus on keeping your knees over your toes and chest out. Don't arch your back or lean forward as you drop down. Exhale, straighten your legs and return to the starting position. Number 5. Lateral raise. If you're doing exercise at home, this is the best move for visible shoulder development. The lateral raise isolates your medial deltoid, the middle of 3 shoulder muscles, helping to develop your shoulder width and mass. Perfect for creating the V shape that you covet. How to do lateral raise. Stand holding a light dumbbell in each hand. Slowly lift the dumbbells out to the side until they reach shoulder height, no higher, and resist the urge to cheat by swinging the weight. Pause. Then lower back to your sides, slowly. You'll build more muscle fighting gravity than letting it do the work for you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.